In an enterprise where every drop and every decatherm translates to your bottom line, precision isn't just a metric, it's your financial foundation. Fragmented data and a complex mix of hardware create operational risk and costly silos. What if you could achieve a single standard of truth across your entire operation? Introducing the SFC 332 family by Dynamic Flow Computers, exclusively from SVIZONA. Built on a common core, it offers a unified solution for every flow measurement challenge. Engineered for the field's harshest environments, this platform delivers uncompromising durability and accuracy, ensuring your data remains protected, no matter where your assets are. With an unshakable audit trail and full compliance with global standards like API and ISO, we provide more than just data. We provide defensible, transparent transactions. Whether it's the SFC 332 for pipeline custody transfer or the versatile 332L for complex liquid batches, we ensure total accountability for your high-value hydrocarbons. For natural and industrial gas, our 332G system delivers certified accuracy across dual-stream operations, supporting everything from wellheads to process plants. Our mobile proving units, like the SFC 332P, centralize control for up to 60 meters, maximizing field efficiency and generating automatic reports at the push of a button. Operational excellence, financial control, risk mitigation. This is the strategic advantage of a unified measurement platform. For diagnostics, configuration and reporting, we offer you Dynacom free-of-charge software. One platform, every challenge, unfailing integrity. Future-proof your operations with SVIZONA Industrial Solutions today. SVIZONA Industrial Solutions, precision measured, reliability delivered. Contact us if you're facing a challenging situation. Our experts will be more than happy to help you.